Good morning, students. This is Vinay Sharma from Maples Academy, Deoband. Today, we will discuss about the poem The Voice of the Rain. This poem is in class 11 English book Hornbill. The poet's name is Part-1. Now, we will discuss the poem. This beautiful poem signifies the eternal role that rain plays in nurturing, quenching, and purifying the various elements of earth. The rain in this poem itself is explaining the rigor about its origin, work, and the cyclic movement. A comparison has also been drawn between rain and music, as both of them make the world more lively and return to their place of origin after fulfilling their purpose. Now we will discuss the poem in detail.